Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest news and reviews on various online platforms. Today I am going to talk about TO.ARK.com, a platform that has been creating a buzz lately in the trading world. If you are looking for an online trading platform that's user-friendly and is secure, then stay tuned. With this website, you can earn money online. The link of this website is available in the video description. First of all, you need to create an account here. Enter your email address, then enter your password, then click on register. After creating an account, log in into the website. Here you will see the interface like this. Here you can see we have different tabs at the bottom: home, trading, bonus and wallet. If you click on bonus, here you can see if you invite your friends on this platform, you can up to 50 USDT. Here is your referral code and referral link. You can copy this link and invite your friends on this platform to earn together. And here is also different tasks. You can complete different tasks to earn up to 50 USDT. Here you can see the daily task. You can win 10 USDT. The user will receive 10 USDT when the trading volume of single number exceeds 1800 USDT. So you can see they have many tasks you can complete and win rewards. So first of all, you need to deposit into your account. If you click on wallet, here you can see I have already deposited 100 USDT and the minimum deposit is $5. You need to enter the amount, for example 100, then click on pay now. Here you need to select the TRC 20 USDT and click on pay now. Here you can see the important tips. Please complete the payment within 59 minutes and we only support TRC 20 USDT and BEP 20 USDT. And don't save payment QR code or wallet address, it can only be paid once. So you need to copy this address or scan this QR code. After this, open your wallet or Binance account where you have funds. Go to your wallet and click on withdraw funds. Here paste the address, choose network, TRC20, enter the amount. It will detect 1 USDT as a network fee and you will receive 100 USDT in a few minutes. So after successful payment, click on the T button. Here you can see BTC to USDT chart as a live price. Here you need to click on 5M Pro and here you need to predict. And they also have a Telegram group for signals. You can join the Telegram group in the description link. As you can see, they have shared signals like option 5M Pro period and buy small 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And suggest multiple 1x suggested purchase price $10. Here you can see they have given all the details. So you can copy their signals. So here you can see the forecast time, world UTC time. First forecast 8 AM, second forecast 4 PM UTC. And if you are from Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, India, you can see the time of forecast. Like in India, first forecast time is 1:30 PM, second forecast at 9:30 PM. And if you are from Saudi Arabia, first forecast at 11 PM, second forecast time is 7 PM. So you can copy their signals. So here you can see the time period has started. It's the duration of 5 minutes. So you need to click on invest and you need to enter the investment amount, for example $1, $5, $10, $50 or $1000, as much as you want. Then you need to choose the figure like odd, small, big and even. For example, I choose odd and then click invest. And here you need to wait until the time completes. And here you can see period, investment amount and profit is still pending. So I will suggest you must copy the Telegram group signals to avoid loss. And you can make maximum profit from the group signals. So as you can see, the time has almost over, almost 5 seconds remaining. We have to wait just a few seconds. And as you can see, we have earned profit $1.95 and my total account balance is $100.95. So with this method you can make profit. It's a very simple and easy way. If you are not expert, you can copy the signals from the group, which is highly accurate. So after making profit, you can withdraw your money. The minimum withdrawal is $5. You just need to click on withdraw button. You need to add a wallet address here, but before that you need to add Google Authenticator with your app. You can download it from App Store or Google Play Store. I have already installed it. You can record the 16-digit backup key from Toark and keep it in a safe. Open Google Authenticator, add the account and enter the copied 16-digit key. You will see a 6-digit verification code on the screen. Then your authenticator will be successfully linked. So after successfully adding Google Authenticator, you need to enter your wallet address here, BNB Smart Chain BEP20. For that, I open my Binance account. Then click on deposit, USDT, select network, BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Then copy the address and paste here. Click on add. Then I need to enter the amount here. Minimum withdrawal is $5. I will receive 97 USDT. The network fee is 3 USDT. Then click on withdraw. As you can see, withdrawal application is submitted and I will receive the funds within 4 to 5 minutes. Now I go to my Binance wallet and here if I click on spot and I go to history, here it will show the withdrawal. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, it is an excellent platform to consider. So that's it for now. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.